This protocol combines measurement of in vivo hip kinematics with whole body motion capture to elucidate the role of biomechanics in hip degeneration.
In comparison to traditional methods of tracking hip motion, dual fluoroscopy has improved accuracy, which allows for investigation of the subtle relationship between hip shape and motion patterns.
For the pivot activities, have the participant rotate or translate their feet such that the pelvis is facing forward on the treadmill, and the hip of interest is in the middle of the combined field of view on the fluoroscopes at the end of the pivot. Once the position is optimized, have the participant perform the pivot during dual fluoroscopy imaging, and save all frames where the femur and pelvis are visible in both fluoroscopy camera views, capturing as much of the pivot as possible. For all walking trials, inform the participant before starting the treadmill belt. Ramp the treadmill speed up to the appropriate walking speed, and let the participant's gait normalize before collecting images. For the inclined walking activity, have the participant step off the treadmill, unlock the treadmill, set the incline to 5 degrees, and relock the treadmill, before having the participant step back onto the treadmill to perform the activity. For the abduction-adduction activity, have the participant stand in the field of view of the fluoroscopes, and raise the leg of interest approximately 45 degrees up and out to the side without moving the torso. For the dynamic hip joint center or star arc activity, have the participant stand in the field of